Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I just wanted to drop in and let you know that we will be having the drawing for these things right here tomorrow. I had asked you on the previous video, and I will link that below, to give me some ideas of some things to do with these two different items here, these little wood discs and these, that I had plenty of them. And I will draw, I'll put all the names that I had and I will draw, and the person that I draw out, I will give half of these to, and I think there was, let's see, 45 wood slices with a little twine. I'll give half of these to that person, and then the person's name that I draw out for this, I will give half of these to, and I think it's about 10 or 11. But I had quite a few people that sent me some wonderful ideas. I'm going to be using some of those, but I'm going to put all of the names in a hat. I'll probably be doing more than one of the projects, but what I'm going to do is put all the names in a hat, and I'm just going to draw out, have somebody draw randomly from that, and I'll put it on here tomorrow and have that drawing. So everybody who give me ideas on the wood disc, I'll put all those names in a hat, and I'll have my husband or somebody to draw a name out. Everybody who give me ideas on these, I will put those names in a hat and have a drawing. Now, the only requirement is you would have had to have left me a message letting me know something that I could do with these, some kind of project, and you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then you can't be entered to win. So all of those people, I will go back and check and make sure that you are a subscriber. Ooh, I can't say that today. So if you're not a subscriber and you want to leave a comment on an idea that I could do with these, a crafty idea, then just hit that subscribe button, leave that comment below, and your name will be added. I will probably post the video up tomorrow afternoon around 4 o'clock Central Standard Time, so watch for that. But I will try to get another video up for a tutorial in the morning. So I just wanted to let you know that, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to leave those comments below. Bye-bye.